Hello and welcome to another Buck's Kitchen. There is one burger that I am dying to try and make, and that is called the Shake Shack Stack. A cheeseburger with a mushroom burger stacked on top of one another. I've got all the ingredients here to do it, so I'm going to show you my version of the Shake Shack Stack burger. So stay tuned. So the first thing you're going to want to do is place your portobello mushrooms between some paper towels to absorb some of that moisture. Mushrooms are mostly water, and that's not good when deep frying. Next, grab your Swiss and American cheese and fold in the corners so the cheese will fit in the center of the mushrooms. Put the two mushrooms together and then wrap in plastic and place in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Now let's work on the Shake Shack sauce. Mix together mayonnaise, ketchup, Dijon mustard, dill pickle brine, a pinch of cayenne pepper. I estimated the measurements until it tasted right. Put the sauce aside for now so we can work on the burgers. Shake Shack uses a proprietary blend of lean ground beef. I am using 80/20 because it's what I like and it tastes good. You can use what you want when making your burger. I have a pound of beef and Shake Shack burgers are 4 ounces each. So I'm breaking up my meat into fours. I season with Blackstone steak seasoning, which is basically salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder, and rolling them into balls so I can bring them out to the griddle and smash. And now comes the fun part, the smash burgers. 4 ounce, 80/20 ground beef, rolled up into balls. Put a little bit of oil down, set them down on the Blackstone griddle. And I take my Blackstone smasher and I smash. Oh, look at that. All right, we're gonna let those go for a little while. I got some nice butter buns here. I want to get nice and crispy. While all this is going, yeah. Beautiful color. Exactly what you want. Alright, and the burgers are almost done. A couple more seconds. I'm going to take them off, bring them inside, and we're going to start building this burger. Oh yeah. But not until we put on a little bit of cheese. Put that lid on there. I'm going to turn off the heat. Let that melt. Take about 15 seconds. That cheese will melt down nice, and then we'll pull them off. All right, so now we're ready to fry that mushroom. And we set up a 3-station breading station, flour, egg yolk, and breadcrumbs. So you take that sandwiched mushroom that we created earlier, and you want to coat that really good in the flour. Dip that baby in there, cover it real good. Next you're going to want to dip it in your egg and get it nice and wet. It's going to stick better because of the flour. That's why we dip it in the flour first. So once you've got it all nice and wet in your egg mixture, move it on over to the breadcrumbs. Move the breadcrumbs around, get it coated all over, and don't forget the edges. You want to roll the edges in there because you want to cover that entire thing completely. Now we're ready to fry. Drop those mushrooms down into the fryer and let them sit in there for about 3 minutes. They're going to come out nice and golden. Once they're all fried up and golden, stick them on the plate, let them drain a little bit, and now we're ready to build our burger. So here we are. All right, so here it is. The Shake Shack Stack, which is a cheeseburger and their version of the mushroom burger. And it's all in one. This is my copycat version of the Shake Shack Stack. And I brought along my wife as a taste tester to let me know what she thinks. Now the first question she had was,
how are we gonna eat that?
all right, give me a knife. Let's get across. Let's see what this thing looks like when we cut it in half. Oh yeah. Well, I do see the cheddar and the Swiss, and it's dripping with shack sauce. You want to grab the other side, and we'll bite at the same time and see what these things taste like. I like mushrooms, so.
Cheers.
Wow. I tasted that mushroom right away.
That's very good.
I gotta tell you, this is very good.
But very messy.
I could see myself eating the shroom burger all by itself. That's how good the portobello came out. Yes, very messy. But you know what? A messy burger is a good burger. As far as burgers go, out of 5, 5 being the best, how many burgers do you give it?
I give it 4.
Okay, so why is he deducting it? What about it that you don't like? Or why?
Well, just the messiness of it, and
yeah, it was kind of messy.
It's just not. It's not very easy to eat. I mean, flavor-wise, I'd give it a 5.
The flavor is spot on. I'm amazed.
The mushroom by itself is very good. This I'd give a 5.
Well, that's what I was saying. I would eat the Shake Shack shroom burger. They actually have a shroom burger that is just the mushroom. This burger is awesome. Messy, but good. All right, well, this is Buck's Kitchen. I'm Buck, and this is Mrs. Buck. Thanks for watching. And please, if there's something you'd like to see me try, comment below, tell me what it is, and I'll be damned to try it.
He's up for a challenge.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying. I'm just trying out recipes. I may dress like a chef. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next cook.